Best wishes, my dear students. Today we are going to discuss the Newton's third law of motion. See, Newton's third law of motion. Okay, for every action there is an equal and opposite reaction. This is the Newton's third law of motion. So, இதை நம்ம understand பண்ணிக்கிறதுக்கு we can consider two bodies, body 1 and body 2. Mass of the first body is m1, second body is m2. The first body exerts a force on second body. The second body at the same time exerts a force on the first body. That is denoted by the letter F21. F21 அப்படினா என்னன்னா force exerted on second body by first body. F12 அப்படினா force exerted on first body by second body. அப்ப இதுல இது action இருந்தா this will be reaction. So action, for every action there is an equal and opposite reaction. Okay, so equal and opposite. Opposite ங்கறனால இங்க minus symbol யூஸ் பண்றோம். அப்ப 10 Newton force இது exert பண்ணுச்சுனா at the same time this will exerts the 10 Newton force but in opposite direction. Okay, so F is equal to m into A. What is A? That is F by m. Force, action and reactions even though equal, the acceleration experienced by both bodies will be different because mass of the bodies are different. Mass equal இருந்துச்சுனா அப்ப actionum reactionum equal இருக்கும், acceleration experienced by both bodies are equal. But in the case la இது பெரிய body இருக்கு, அப்ப mass of the first body is greater than that of the mass of the second body. Acceleration is inversely proportional to that of m mass. So here A1 is inversely proportional to M1. So mass greater nala A1 will be lesser. Okay, A1 is lesser than that of A2. A2 is F by M2. Okay, so action and reaction, அதாவது force வந்து equal இருந்தாலும் கூட acceleration experienced by both bodies will be different. இப்போ for example ஒரு bus போய் ஒரு two wheeler மேல மோதும் போது bus will exert a force on two wheeler. At the same time two wheeler also exerts a force on bus. But ரெண்டுலயும் ஒரே effect cause ஆகுமா அப்படினா ரெண்டுமே ஒரே acceleration experience பண்ணுமா? Definitely no, because mass of bus is different from mass of the two wheeler. எப்ப mass ரொம்ப ஹையோ அப்ப அது experience பண்ற acceleration will be less. அப்ப bus experience பண்ற acceleration due to the force exerted by the two wheeler will be less, but the acceleration experienced by the two wheeler will be greater. Okay, you remember this, and we'll see some examples here. Gun and bullet. When we are consider a bullet fired from the gun, bullet will moving in the forward direction with some acceleration, that is said to be action. At the same time gun will moving with a recoil velocity in the backward direction, that is said to be reaction. So action and reaction will be there. See next one, while we are walking our foot exerted a downward and backward force on the earth. At the same time earth exerts a upward and forward force on us, due to which we can walk in the forward direction. Okay, so in this case foot exerted a force, that is action, and earth exerted a force on our foot, that is said to be reaction. Boy and boat. When a boy jumping from the boat, he exerts a force on the boat in the backward direction. At the same time boat exerts a force on the boy in the forward direction. So வேற என்ன எக்ஸாம்பிள் பார்க்கலாம்னா planets and sun க்கு நடுவுல இருக்கிற gravitational force. Sun exerts the gravitational force on the planets. At the same time planets also exerts the force on the sun, gravitational force on the sun, that is said to be reaction. Okay, so that's all. Thank you students.